السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا بكم طلبة وطالبات الصف الثالث الإعدادي. Welcome again. Now we are going to answer practice test number 1A and 1B. وده طبعا revision على units 1, 2 and 3. The first question in the exam is finish the following dialogue. Finish the following dialogue. Heba is going to meet her friends today. What are you going to do with your friends today? We wanted to have a picnic. عايزين نعمل picnic. But we don't know where to go. احنا مش عارفين هنروح فين. فردت قالت لها garden park is a nice place for a picnic. طيب هي عملت هنا question. يبقى ممكن تسألها ايه؟ What do you recommend? أو where do you recommend we go? Where do you recommend we go? تقترح ان احنا نروح فين؟ أو what do you recommend? Yes, it is. What can I take for the picnic? هاخد ايه للبيكنيك؟ What can you take for the picnic? You can take some sandwiches. And drinks. Some sandwiches and drinks. ممكن you can take a bowl, you can take a hat, some other things. That's a good idea. Do I need my hat today, Mom? هل هحتاج الهات بتاعتي؟ قالت لها ايه؟ The sun is very strong today. The sun is very strong today. شمس النهارده حامية. يبقى هكتب لها ايه؟ يبقى yes you do. Number 4, as هنا question. It's like early in the morning. That is when the sun is not too hot. يبقى هتقول اسألها ايه؟ When should we start? أو when do you suggest we start or we go? I'll take your advice and wake up early. لا يبقى هاخد ده ايه؟ بنصيحتك وهصحى ايه؟ مبكر. Question number 2. Write what you will say in each of the following situations. Number 1. You drop a glass on the kitchen floor. Your younger sister walks into the room. يبقى أنت وقعته. Your younger sister دخلت الروم هتلاقي إيه؟ Be careful. You shouldn't or don't walk into the room. يبقى ما تدخليش الإيه؟ الروم. ماشي ممكن أقول لها there is a glass on the floor. A friend asks you what you thought of a scary film that had just become. ايه رأيك في scary film اللي هو لسه خالص؟ هتقول له ايه؟ ممكن اقول له مثلا it made me scared. It made me scared. ممكن اقول له it is a very good film. هقول له رأيك. You tell a friend what you did last Saturday at midday. عملت ايه last Saturday at midday. طبعا انا ممكن اعمل اي حاجه. ممكن اقول له مثلا I visited my grandma. I did my homework. I studied. اي ايه. Read the following and then answer the question. In Sweden, وسويدن طبعا اللي هي السويد. The longest day of the year is celebrated in June. يبقى بيحتفلوا بأول يوم بأطول يوم في العام في شهر جون. It is the start of a 5-week holiday. يبقى ده إيه؟ بداية a 5-week holiday اللي هي أجازة 5 أسابيع. Most people go on a trip to the country with their families. Children put flowers in their hair, and everyone eats a special cake. In the evening, a family meal is eaten. يبقى بتتاكل وجبة عائلية. Then this usually includes hearing. يبقى عادة الوجبة دي بتتضمن الhearing. There are lots of these in the sea. يبقى الهيرنج دي موجود منها كتير in the Sweden around Sweden. After people have eaten, بعد ما بياكلوا, they usually go for a walk. Nobody goes to bed before 12 o'clock on this special day. ما فيش حد بيروح ينام قبل 12 o'clock in this special day. The sun, there is sunrise until very late at night. بيبقى فيش ايه شروق شمس او الشمس المشرقة لغاية وقت متأخر في الليل. In Sweden at that time, in the north, it doesn't get dark at all. في الشمال بقى ما بتليلش خالص. تفضل طول النهار منورة وما بتضلمش. It can be difficult to sleep. To help them عشان يساعدهم بقى people should find a room that is not very large. Okay. نيجي لquestion number 1. What do most people do in June in Sweden? يبقى ايه بيعملوها في الوقت ده؟ يبقى they celebrate the longest day of the year. They celebrate the longest day of the year. How can Swedish people help themselves sleep in the long days of June? طبعا الإجابة يبقى people find a room that is not very wide. أنا هعلم عليه عشان مفيش مكان أكتب. Why do you think that people do not go to bed early in June in Sweden? طبعا because there is sunshine until very late at night in Sweden at this time, and in the north it doesn't get dark at all. Because this is number 3. The word hearing means a type of طبعا موجودة في البحر يبقى type of fish. The underlined word them تعود على مين؟ refer to مين؟ كلمة refers to يعني تعود على يعني بترجع على مين؟ children, people without families, people without a house, or people in Sweden. طبعا هنا people in Sweden. Now we will move to the reader. Match column A with column B. عندي هنا farmer gray, black beauty, merry legs, ginger. The horse who tells the story. The horse who tells the story. طبعا the horse who tells the story is black beauty. A short fat horse. A short fat horse. This is merry legs. A horse who had a difficult task. Very good. It's a ginger. A horse who forgot his mother's advice. طبعا مفيش حد نسى نصيحة مامته. Black beauty's first honor. This is farmer green. Question number 1. Do you think that the horses like the Bertolot Park? Why or why not? طبعا هقول لي yes. ليه بقى؟ ليه هم حبوا بيرتولت بارك؟ Because it was a lovely place to live in. It was a lovely place to live in. Do you think that Mary Legs was wrong to throw the older boys off his back? Why and why not? طبعا ممكن أقول yes because طبعا هو بيقول لي كان مخطئ. ممكن أقول yes because he could have hurt them. إن هو كان ممكن يأذيهم. وممكن هنقول no because they needed to have a lesson. إنهم احتاجوا إنهم ياخدوا إيه؟ درس. And understand that horses أو that a horse need a rest. محتاج إيه؟ راحة. طيب نيجي للسؤال number 6. choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. When is Sharm el Sheikh in Egypt? طبعا بنركبها إيه؟ سنة. If a person feels strong, he or she isn't. يبقى الأول بتبقى strong is إيه؟ is weak. People often drink water in hot weather than when it is cold. طبعا more water. It is not too hot on the beach because there is a nice, very good, a nice breeze. The restaurant in the guidebook was a very good طبعا recommendation. هو إيه؟ How safe. I don't know how to get to your house. Can you give me طبعا direction. مش عارف يوصل المكان يبقى هياخد إيه؟ direction. طيب you go. طبعا هنا سؤال write the following using the words in brackets to give the same meaning. يبقى أنا هستخدم الكلمات اللي بين الأقواس ولازم أدي مع نفس الإيه؟ المعنى. طيب يقول لي هنا when you go to Luxor I think you should visit the museum. طيب يبقى الجملة الأولى هنزلها زي ما هي. يبقى when you go to Luxor, comma I suggest I recommend. طبعا recommend بيجي وراها ايه؟ يا ذات جملة يا ايه؟ برجوز ing. يبقى I recommend visiting the museum. Number 2. The blue bottle has more water than the green bottle. طبعا عايز استخدم less. طبعا less هي الopposite of more وما دام انا مستخدمه الopposite يبقى لازم ابدل الطرفين. يعني بدل ما هتبقى the blue bottle هتبقى the green bottle is less has less water than the blue. Manal always helps people. دايما بتساعد people وعايز استخدم helpful. طبعا helpful دي is an adjective يبقى Manal is helpful. Manal is helpful. طيب نيجي لآخر سؤال عندنا اللي هو write an email of about 110 words. طب وانا هقعد اعد بقى الكلمات في الامتحان؟ لا انا هكتب في حدود 15 جمله او 20 جمله. اوكي طيب هنا بيقول لي you tell your friends English friend how Mother's Day is celebrated in Egypt. طبعا هو عايز يكتب ايه؟ ايميل. طبعا الايميل هنبدا ب2 هنكتب your friend's name from هنكتب your friend's name طبعا about وهنحط طبعا about ايه؟ هنقول مثلا to سارة from Amal about Mother's Day. نتكلم عن Mother's ايه؟ Day. يبقى هنبدأ أول حاجة dear طبعا سارة كما وهنبدأ الأول greeting يبقى هنبدأ hi how are you. I hope you are fine. أتمنى إنك تكوني بخير. طيب هنبدأ بقى نتكلم عن المذر دي. يبقى إن هو يقول مثلا مثلا this month we celebrate the Mother's Day in Egypt. يبقى في هذا الشهر بنحتفل بعيد الأم في مصر. طيب هتحتفل بيه امتى؟ يبقى we celebrate it on the 21st أو 22nd of March. يبقى في الايه 21 أو 22 من ايه من مارس. طيب بنقول it is a very important festival. We celebrate or we want to say thank you to our mother at that day. يبقى احنا بنحب نشكر امهاتنا في هذا اليوم. طيب هتحتفلوا بيه ازاي؟ we always buy presents for our mothers. يبقى بنشتري هدايا لأمهاتنا. we visit them. ماشي. there is usually a family meal. يبقى في عادة بيبقى في family meal at that day. we sometimes have cakes too. أحيانا بنجيب كمان cakes. it is a very happy time for mothers. we try يعني احنا بنحاول to make them happy. طبعا مش هكفي عندي المكان، ممكن بقى اقول لهم مثلا what about you. وانت بقى what about you. how do you celebrate. how do you celebrate it. وبعد كده بنهي الخطاب، اقول له بنزل طبعا على السطر اللي بعديه وبقول له ايه goodbye for now see you soon. goodbye for now see you soon. يبقى علاقة قوية. وفي الآخر خالص بكتب تحت كده yours وأحط اسمي اللي هو إيه أمين. أوكي. وبكده بنوصل لنهاية الدرس بتاعنا أو الفيديو بتاعنا، وهنكمل الفيديو القادم. هناخد برضو براكتس تيست 1B وهو برضو على unit number 1 2 and 3. Until we meet again, goodbye and goodbye.